10 bad bitches in a man. Rich song.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. So in today's video we are back with, guess what, another makeup video. Loads of you were loving my last makeup video and you know me kind of creating makeup content, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna hit you guys with another makeup video. And this time it's a look I wore a couple months ago, and it was this kind of like pink, kind of neon, kind of pink, kind of not neon eyeshadow look, if that makes sense. And loads of you loved that eyeshadow look, and you guys all asked for a tutorial on it, and I just never did it because I just never had the time. So I thought I would come here today and basically do that exact eyeshadow look for you guys, except it's not an exact eyeshadow look, it's a very similar one. Pretty much all the same colors were used, so it's kind of similar. Yeah, I'm totally in love with this makeup look, and the earrings and the top, everything is just giving me like real, you know, Mamacita kind of, my name is Rosalinda kind of vibes. So yeah, we're just gonna get into the video and see how I achieve this look. I'll see you guys in a bit. Wow, bye.
I got model bitches.
So I'm going to start off using my Holy Grail foundation, the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in MACAO, and I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out. I love the coverage of this foundation. It's skin-like but full coverage as well. Y'all already know how I feel about this foundation.
Model bitches wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a neck. Diamonds got the food, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet.
Then I'm going to go in with my new favorite concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and I'm using the shade Warm Sand.
All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. Body necklace on that bitch, hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fool. Roll up, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up. 21. Flexing on that bitch, hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21, go get the stick, hold up. Hold up, hold up. Bitch, I like a ball, like, hold up, hold up.
Then I'm going to blend that all out with my beauty blender, making sure everything is seamless.
Without no weavy ball, hold up. Bitch, I spent your rent inside the mall. Hold up, she got a nigga buddy, bro, she lost. Hold up, at this private location. Hold up, put her back in rotation. Hold up, bitches on me immigration. Hold up, going through the.
Then I'm going to go in and set and bake under my eyes with my collection powder.
Translations. I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. 10 bad bitches in a man. Rich song, many rock them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to.
For my eyeshadow today, the first palette I'm using is the Revolution Pro Mischief Mattes palette, and I'm using the hot pink color called Ringleader.
Make her eat a plan, and I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a neck. Diamonds got the food, try not to catch this.
Then for the lid colour, I'm going in with this Primark eyeshadow palette called Tropical Storm. And I'm using the pale pink colour and applying that to the centre of my lid.
I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Flexing on that bitch.
Then I'm going to go in and apply a winged liner.
Hold up, flexing on that bitch. Body necklace on that bitch. Hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fool. Roll up, roll up, roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up. 21. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch. Hold up. 21 go get the stick. Hold up. Hold up. Bitch, I like a ball. Like, hold up. Without no weavy ball. Hold up. Bitch, I spent your rent inside the mall. Hold up. She got a nigga, buddy, bro, she lost. Hold up. At this private location. Hold up. Put her back in rotation. Hold up. Bitches on me, immigration. Hold up. Going through the translations.
After which I'm going to coat my lashes with the Primark Dramatic Lash Volume and Length Mascara.
I'm just stunting on my ex, I'm just flexing on my ex, hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex,
Then I'm going to blend out my under eye powder with the back of my beauty blender and my fluffy brush, making sure everything is seamless.
10 bad bitches in a match. Wrist on me, rock no diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name savage bitch, but no I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy.
Then I'm going to contour with the same reddy brown eyeshadow I always use.
I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a neck. Diamonds got the food, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me.
Then I'm going to cut and sculpt my cheekbones with my Revolution baking powder.
Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. Body necklace on that bitch, hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fool. Roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up. 21. Flexing on that bitch.
Then I'm going to line my lips with this random brown eyebrow pencil. And then I'm going to apply this coral toned lip gloss from Primark. And then apply my Samani Collection lip gloss in the shade So on top.
Hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch. Hold up. 21 go get the stick. Hold up. Bitch, I like a ball. Like, hold up. Without no weavy ball. Hold up. Bitch, I spent your rent inside the mall. Hold up. She got a nigga, buddy, bro, she lost. Hold up. At this private location. Hold up. Put her back in rotation. Hold up. Bitches on me, immigration. Hold up. Going through the translations. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch.
Then I'm going to use my Holy Grail blush palette. You guys already know about this. My Nip and Fab blush palette in Blush Brights. And I'm using the coral blush to bring this whole look together.
I'm just flexing on my ex. 10 bad bitches in a match. Wrist on me, rock no diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got my.
Then I'm going to use this new addition to my makeup wardrobe, and it's this Primark blush palette called Double Take, and I'm using the orange blush as a sort of bronzer on my cheekbones and my forehead, and I find that it just really warms up my skin. I've been using this technique for 2 weeks now and I'm in love.
Bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name savage bitch, but no I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a neck. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me. Flexing on that bitch.
Okay guys, so this is the completed look. Let me know in the comments down below if you really enjoyed this makeup tutorial and this makeup look. Let me know if you didn't. I usually don't go for like colors like pinks, purples, all that sort of stuff on my lid because I like to stay like in the neutral tones. I love a gold shimmer, I love a matte lid. That is just pretty much me, but I really enjoyed creating this look. I love the eyeshadow, I love the cheeks, I love the gloss especially. Another lady of the hour has to be this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I absolutely love this. So guys, this is the story, right? I ordered this a couple months ago, no, maybe like 2 months ago, right? And I was using it, loving it, and I think I'd used it like maybe 3 or 4 times before I lost it. And I'm going to say emphasis on the word lost. My sister came home and I've never seen the concealer again. So I just want you to figure out that narrative for itself. But I love this concealer so much that I had to go and pick up another one because it's absolutely amazing. I'm loving it even more than I did the first time. I got it in the shade Warm Sand. The coverage is gorgeous, absolutely flawless, blends out so easily. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Necklace on that bitch. Hold up. Her friend gon' lick me like a fool. Roll up. She and her feelings on the ground. Roll up. 21. Flexing on that bitch. Hold up. I ain't texting back that bitch. Hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch. Hold up. 21 go get the stick. Hold up. Bitch, I like the vibe. Like, hold up. Without no weavy vibe. Hold up. Bitch, I spit your brain inside the mouth. Hold up. She got a nigga buddy, bro. She loud.